Let's go. Where's my controller?
You lost the controller. That's
rare when you
Oh,
Everything.
you're so smart, Marty.
I love you.
No, you don't.
Just as I suspected.
I'm on top.
We need to get the power on.
Just as I expected. What the heck? They sound so retarded.
Long range bullet slinger.
He sounds like a pedophile.
I can't.
It's all the way up there.
I'm worried.
Awkward. What
What
was
are
that?
you doing?
Oh,
Shoot those zombies.
I thought it was you. Why? Oh wait, are these Nazi zombies? Do you not have the other one with the zombies?
Why are you not getting the gun that's down here?
Where is it?
It's like right beside me. No, not down there.
Ah!
Go up. You are terrible at this game.
I don't usually play the Nazi one. This one?
Yeah.
Holding this up makes my arms so
That'll be more
tired.
fun.
Why does it talk so weird?
I know.
Wait, are these Nazis? I think they are.
Nazis?
Yeah, are they Nazis?
Nazis?
Definitely Nazis.
I'm sorry, I don't. Oh, zombie!
You're supposed to board up the windows.
I was up. I was on my way to do that. Why do you reload so slow? Are you not even going there? What the heck, man? You convinced me you weren't coming over here. Rebuilding. Like a ball.
Oh, crap. Well, at least I get this.
Are there zombies coming up here? Oh, did you not protect this well enough?
What? Shoot that zombie.
I did.
Now get back up here so you don't die.
Hey. I'll protect this border, and then you protect the other one. Hey.
Oh, I hear them.
Oh, the crazy zombie!
I'm scared.
No, it's the crazy zombie! It's the
you
crazy
hear them?
zombie!
Do you hear
The
them?
crazy zombie! Oh my gosh, it's on drugs.
It's on drugs.
Is that a bloody teddy bear?
That's
Yes.
that's true.
So,
Ah!
I almost killed it for you.
Hey, zombie, why are you Ah! No, get off of me!
No. Oh my god, he was crawling. Oh, he was crawling.
Oh my god, thing! I almost lost
Oh,
my
I like
life.
insta-kill.
I suck at this game.
like
I will
it.
admit.
Why would
Why
you
is
die?
the border down?
Yeah, like that. Why aren't you dying?
Wait, who's
Stand.
not dying?
Alright. Gotcha.
Let's go back to it. Oh, did we do
It was the
Yay!
4th round. This is where the crazy things happen.
Oh, I hate
And there
this.
might be dogs and crawling zombies.
Wait, why dogs?
I don't know
It's
why.
like zombie dogs.
Maybe
Yeah,
dogs?
zombie dogs.
Oh my gosh, zombie dogs. I love
They're not
that.
as cute as they sound.
I will cuddle them anyways.
Alright, nope, no crazy zombie puppies. Just, crawling zombies. Perfect. Oh, they're all coming on
Why are you
Caitlin's
running?
side. They're all coming on Caitlin's side.
I know, go fix the border.
I'm here, I'm helping you, I'm here to help. Kill them as a team!
Why did they come after me? I smell like bacon.
No! I wanted that.
Double points!